Hello everyone, this is Team Neurabytes and we are going to present a Stockmaster, a smart inventory management platform. Here there are three users, first is staff, then admin and manager. They have a different access to the inventory management system. So I will log in with the manager account, which is you can see some demo credentials here, and now I will sign in. Now this is the first one is our dashboard, which includes some KPIs to show the details about our inventory, the move distribution, the stock move by types 30 days, like it's simple statistics for the user. Now we can see some products here that are already in my inventory, and we can see 940 packs of chemical A and t-shirts 224. I can add another product. For example, I can add jeans, and I will add any prod which is 90 to suppose, and I will select a category, and then I will select a unit, like for example here I will select box, and we can also input image URL and we can create a product. Now we can see there's a jeans and this is 0. There are no products in the inventory. So what we will do, we will create a receipt. This will manage incoming stock from suppliers. Suppose we are buying from XXX company. Suppose this is some company and we are buying some jeans from here. So and we are storing that into a main warehouse shipping area, and it will be scheduled as today. We can put any date as per schedule. We can add multiple products too, but here I will set a single products, which is jeans, and I will add the quantity. Suppose I want to buy 10 jeans from this company, and I will create a receipt. Now we can see it's in draft mode. Admin and manager can validate this, so it will be getting confirmed, and now it is done. And now we can see in the products we have 10 boxes of jeans, and in the move history we can also see the receipt, which is a jeans which has been 10 boxes has been added in the main warehouse shipping area. Now there's a deliveries which manage outgoing stock to customers. Suppose we are selling stocks to customer. Suppose there's a customer named Sumeet Gupta and we are selling the product from main warehouse shipping area. Today or tomorrow we can add date. It's not compulsory, but yeah, we can add. And then we can add the product that we are going to send. Suppose we are going to send a 4 box of jeans, and we can create a delivery and we can validate this. Now we can see the products. We have only 6 boxes left, and in the move history we can check the delivery has been done of jeans, which is from main warehouse shipping area. Then we can I want to show one more thing. This means the stock is declining. This means the stock has been increasing. From the receipt and delivery the stock gets declined because the stocks are sold to the users or customers. Now there is a transfer, which means transferring the goods from one warehouse location to another warehouse location. We can select the products here, and there is an adjustment. Suppose there are any discrepancies and reconcile inventories error related to some human error. Suppose there are let me show you an example. Suppose there are 6 boxes in our inventory, and when we counted boxes there were 7, so there were some human errors to count, or we can say a receipt error. So what we will do, we will add a adjustment, and I will secondary warehouse main warehouse shipping area, and I will select a product. Suppose the count was 10 rather than the remaining jeans. We can see the products. So when we validate this, we can see the product of jeans count is now 10, and when we go to the move history we can see the adjustment here, which means the 4 boxes were not counted properly. There were 6 boxes in the system, but when we counted in the inventory in the warehouse there was 10 boxes, so we added a 4 boxes more into with the help of adjustment. Then there is the we can see all the historical data of any move, of any transfer, of any adjustment, deliveries, receipts, everything here with the date, time, and every details. Now we can see the warehouse. We can add multiple locations here, and we can select a warehouse, we can select a location name, we can select the location code, and more. And when create a location, it can be helpful. Now for the new users, we can see how our platform works, how product is managed, how receipts are managed, how deliveries are managed, how transfers are managed. We can see it and we can understand all these things into the help, and has some pro tips too. So this was the managers part. Similar, there will be admin part too with different access. I will show this first. It's not that much different, but let me show you. So these are the role permissions for admin, full system access, create and delete all records, manage user and warehouse. Now I will log out, and now I will show the simple user. For example, Sumeet Gupta 3690, and I will add the password. Let me add. So this is a staff. If we have forgot password, we can get the OTP into us into the email to reset the password through this forgot password option. Now this is the staff, and we can see the staff's permission here: view inventory and products, create operations. But the staffs will not be able to validate things, which has only the access to the admin and manager. So this is how we can do all these things. For example, I will also show the how forget password works. So this will send the OTP to the user's email, and it can be reset. So we are using SMTP basically here, and for the database we are using PostgreSQL locally, and also can be hosted. And for the front end we are using React and TypeScript, and for the backend we are using Node.js and creating an MVC architecture with a API. Thank you.